that was a video of one of my subscribers on his bike, and I'm about to go buy it. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? I'm Reese Bowers. Welcome to Built from the Bottom. Alright, so the kid messaged me back. He's active, dude. Let's see if he'll pick up this FaceTime. I hope he picks it up. I hope he picks it up.
This is everything that I have for it from when I wrecked. It's the front cowl. Literally, it just popped off right from the stay bracket right here. But all the wires and everything are still intact. All the blinkers, but the mirrors are kind of fucked. I got all the bits and pieces and shit. The back seat still works. The rear subframe, it's like a subframe bracket. It's bolted in from right here.
Oh, it cracked right there?
It's cracked right here.
Damn. Dude, how hard did you drop that thing?
I did 110 around a corner down a really shady road, and I kind of just went over the curb and it landed in the grass and kind of just slid out. But
This is cool. This is cool, dude. This is why, like, I wanted to do YouTube, bro. Like, for things like this, like, I'm able to get this
the
bike.
opportunity to have like a fan.
Yeah, dude. Buying a bike from a fan, like, that's just crazy, bro. Like, I'm talking to you right now, Andrew.
Yeah,
There's,
yeah.
like, people on the camera, like, that are
No, but, like,
be seeing this.
legit-
That's crazy, dude. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Legit, like.
When you guys are watching this, today is the day before the video on this got uploaded, so yeah, this bike looks sick all wet, dude. We gotta wheel this in. I got the ramp already in that truck. I got a new caliper, I need a caliper to put on that truck, but I guess we're just gonna take it. Alright guys, so I just drove this thing with a caliper midway seas to see how hot this thing is. Oh, you hear it?
Oh.
It's so hot.
Why is
the truck moving a little bit? But yeah, this is the one that's locking up. Oh dude, I would have lost this bet. I'll follow you. 6'4". Oh, I said 6'4". What's going on, man? I can't believe you dropped this. And you hit me up for the exhaust. That's just wild. How wild is it here on buying the bike from you then?
Yeah, it's low. Like I swear, like I woke up and because my girlfriend got home from work, she was damn. A lot of people text you about the bike. I look, it said Reese. I'm like, hold up, let me click on it real quick. So I clicked on. I'm like, I just messaged him too. I'm like, damn.
Yeah,
Oh.
what video did you see that you saw my stuff?
I commented on a lot of them.
Hell yeah, dude. That makes me so happy. You have no idea.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like look, fucking all watched.
Dude,
bro.
hey, show this.
Oh,
All of them, dude.
All of them were watched, bro.
wait, let it focus real quick. And yep,
That's wild.
all watched.
Texted you. I was looking to actually sell that to get one of the ZX10Rs that you have, but I ended up fucking that up.
Sell this to get the ZX10R?
Yeah. I was looking. 'cause
I like these more than the ZX10Rs, to be honest. Dude. Right on. Let's load it up. Not do this would have been such an L of a trip.
Now you got an extra. I saw an extra one in the shop.
That wheel's already hooked up.
That's so funny.
Damn, dude. That thing's flexed out right now.
Oh my god.
That's pretty wild.
rubbing. Kinda took us some dirt.
Huh?
Picked it up.
We got everything we need. I got the title. Alright, let's go get this exhaust. We just got back to the shop. It's getting late on us, and I need to edit that R1 video for tomorrow. So thank you for filming today.
Oh yeah.
Peace out.
Hell yeah.
I'll catch you guys in the morning. What's going on, guys? It's the next day, and I'm cracking up laughing right now because I went to go try to start this bike. I left it on the trickle charger last night, and it sounds like it's hydro locked. And then I see this coming out of the exhaust. So the guy that I bought it from, he was telling me that he fell in the lake when he crashed the bike. And I'm assuming like he was really concussed and out of sorts when he crashed it, he said. And I think he completely forgot to tell me that this bike went in the water in his hydro lock. So I need to pull those spark plugs out, make sure that nothing gets rusty inside of there. But you can see, I think water just went either in through the intake or the exhaust because there doesn't seem to be any water inside the oil. So that's a good sign, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick little walk around and tell you everything that's wrong with this bike and what I need to order for it. So we'll start off from the front end of this bike because it needs a bunch of things. I think this is called a slave cylinder on these. So I'm gonna need a new slave cylinder for the clutch because these are hydraulic on this bike. I need a new front stay bracket. I have everything right here. I have the gauge cluster. It works, shows 11,000 miles on it. We got 5D as the code. We got, see right there, 11,000 miles. 5D is the code. Don't know what that is. Haven't looked it up yet. So I'm gonna need a new front stay. Probably gonna put a new headlight on it just for the reason of having like a new headlight assembly, make this bike look pretty much brand new. Because if I'm doing all new fairings on it, I might as well do like, you know, make all the stuff on the outside look brand new because I'm gonna paint these wheels actually like a neon yellow. I'm gonna put up a photo right about there of what fairing kit I'm gonna put on this bike. So that's the newer body style GSXR 1000, and what I'm gonna do is copy like the way that looks and do it on the 07, 08. Jason over at NT Fairings is gonna make a custom kit for this bike, so greatly appreciated. Use my code BFTB60, get $60 off your orders for fairings. I use these fairing kits. Like this fairing kit is from NT, this one's from NT, this one's from NT. Like almost all my bikes in here, the fairing kits are from NT if they're not OEM kits. And they're really good fitting. I don't get anything from you guys using that coupon code, but you get $60 off. So looking out for the bike community. But we'll come over here. I need to get a new rear subframe basket. And other than that, I think I'm gonna take this tank to my paint guys and have them pull it out, do body work on it, and then just paint it like a basic color because the fairing kit I'm getting has a cover that goes over it. So as long as I seal up the inside so it doesn't rust, we should be good with that. And also I'm probably gonna switch out this triple because it looks pretty banged up. So that's about all for this bike. I'm just gonna wheel it to the back and wait for all the new parts to come in, and we'll be doing a pretty crazy one-of-a-kind GSXR 1000 build. And talk about crazy, the guy that I bought this R1 from actually wants to buy it back from me. So once I get in that brake master cylinder, it'll be pretty much done and I'll sell it back to him, which is pretty crazy. But that's it for this video right now, you guys. That's not it for this video right now. I actually got the bike started. Yes, it runs. That's a good sign. Pretty hyped about this bike. But that's it for this video right now. Peace out.